When I came into the UK 19 years ago, I could barely speak enough English to order a Happy Meal at McDonald's. Through all the work that I've been doing all of these years, being able to achieve fellow membership of such an institution as APM is one of my proudest achievements ever.
Mott MacDonald is an employee-owned global company that provides engineering, management, development, consultancy.
When I first started in Mott, I went to my first project on site. I went through the building with the contractors, with the design team, and just being part of that conversation, it just felt like so right. It felt like, oh, I'm enjoying this so much. I think that was the moment where I realized that I was going the right path and I made the right choice.
My focus for the last few years has been on health, mainly with one client, which has been Bedfordshire NHS Trust. We have been working together to develop the new clinical buildings.
I am leading a phosphorus removal program. It's all about improving the water quality to comply with the new environmental standards.
Relationship with APM has changed as my career developed. So from the learnings to the industry knowledge and information that flows through.
One of the reasons why the relationship between Mott MacDonald and APM has worked so well over the last few years is because there's mutual benefit. For us, it just gives us structure, it gives us credibility. APM in project management is the gold standard.
To learn about the competencies, that is essentially what you're going to need when you have a role as a PM. I actually was the PM on the project, so personally, it gave me the reassurance that I could actually do the job. It was probably something that we all struggled with when we started our careers. I think that it helped me both professionally and personally.
When I took over this role, one of the things that I noticed is that we only had a handful of female project managers. I did some work with APM. In just a period of a couple of years, we went from being nearly 11% below the industry average on the male versus female ratio to being nearly 18 points percentage above the industry average.
I've been a member of APM for many years. We encourage all our PMs to go through the qualifications that APM provides, and this will go from PMQ to the chartership.
I did my PMQ while I was working on this project, and I definitely saw the difference of how you approach things, or you realize issues on a project that are part of the PMQ, and they give you examples, and suddenly you see them in real life, and you say, oh, okay, now I know how to approach this.
The influence that we have on what's coming in the future, climate change to where people will live, the places that will work, and how the built environment will affect their lives, their well-being, I think that is an exciting place to be.